Lamp replacement for the Sanuvair S300. Unplug the unit. Unscrew the plate of the lamp access door and set aside. The lamp will now be accessible. Hold the lamp by its ceramic tip, unplug it from the white socket, and release it from the clamp. Always wear cotton gloves when handling a new UV lamp. Remove lamp from its packaging. Insert the lamp into the unit and clamp to secure it into place. While holding the ceramic tip of the new lamp, plug it into the white socket. Make sure you place the lamp correctly so that it does not touch the walls of the reflection chamber. Replace and screw the plate of the access door. Plug in the S300.